Today's sound of the day is ya, ya.
Hi friends, here's our sound of the day today. This is the sound y. I'm going to trace it for you. Y. 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 Here are some words that start with the sound y.
Ya, as in the word yellow. Ya, L-O, yellow. Ya, like in the word yo-yo. Y-O-U-O, yo-yo. Ya, like in the word yacht. Ya, yacht. Ya, like in the word yarn. Y-O-N, yarn. Ya, like in the word yogurt. Y-O-G-R-T, yogurt. Ya, like in the word yoke. Y-O-K, yoke. Ya, like in the word yard. Yard, yard. And ya, like in the word yawn. Yawn, yawn. That's all, folks. Bye. See you next time.